Hey there! Once you start your content journey inside HubSpot, you are trying to build up different content pieces using blog inside HubSpot. If your blog is hosted on HubSpot and if you're making a lot of blog posts inside HubSpot, you might run into some sorts of issues where you want your blog post to maybe come up on a different day when you are doing it, and this is something called as scheduling. And today I'll tell you how you can set a blog post's publish date and time inside HubSpot. So guys, in order to set the publish date and time for blog posts inside HubSpot, firstly you need to log into your dashboard. Once you're done doing that, click on content, click on blog. Then you'll be greeted by a screen where all of your blog posts would show up. So if I want to edit one of these blog posts, I can click on edit. So you can see that this blog post is already published. So can I change an already existing blog post's date and time? Yes, I can do this. Click on this small arrow icon near the update. Click on publishing options. Here you can see that it's already published, but we can schedule an update and the new changes would go live on that particular time. So maybe I want this to be 22/4, which is today's date, and select some other time and click on update now. And the changes would be scheduled and the time also for the blog post would change at that point of time. So guys, now that was changing the blog post date and time for something which was published. But what if I want to change this for something which is unpublished or in my drafts or something which I'm working on? So to do that, let's go back to the blog posts page, and here see a blog post which might not be published. For example, this one is a draft. I click on edit, and here we can see that this is not a published blog post. If I click on publish, I can take this blog post immediately live. So it's live right now. But what if I wanted to publish it but at a later point in time? So in order to do that, I go on unpublish so that we can do that flow again. So this blog post is unpublished right now. I click on save. So I have unpublished this blog post now, and once it's unpublished, now what we can do is maybe schedule it for a later day and time. So instead of directly clicking on publish, right now what we will do is click on the drop down, click on publishing options, then tick the schedule publish for later, choose the appropriate time where you want to schedule this blog post, then click on schedule, and the blog post will be published on that particular time. So this is how it's done very easily. So guys, I hope this was very easy to follow, and in case you're still running into any sorts of issues, feel free to reach out to us in the comments below. Do let us know if you want our help. And you can also book a free one-on-one consultation call with us. Yes, it's absolutely free via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next informative and rocking video.